Are you tired of spending endless hours tediously counting items for your construction projects? Say goodbye to manual headaches and hello to the game-changing feature in Bluebeam Revu, Count Objects. If you're involved in construction or estimating, you know how crucial it is to accurately determine the quantities of materials required for a project. Count Objects in Bluebeam Revu can be your best friend in this regard, allowing you to efficiently count and track items while saving time and minimizing errors. So let's dive in and discover how count objects can help your quantity takeoffs. So what are count objects? In simple terms, count objects are a feature in Bluebeam Revu that enable you to mark and tally individual items within your PDF documents. These items can be anything from light fixtures and doors to electrical outlets and windows. By creating count objects, you can easily keep track of the quantities and specific elements within your plans. Creating count objects in Bluebeam Revu is a breeze. Simply follow these steps. First, open up your PDF document in Bluebeam Revu and then navigate to the Measurements tab, which is over on our side panel, and it looks like this ruler right here. I'm going to pop this open, and then you're going to click on the Count tool, which is represented by a 5 tally marks icon. So I'm going to click here, and you can see if I drag on over to my floor plan and zoom in a little bit, the Bluebeam default symbol is a check mark. However, we can change the properties of our count object before we even begin to take off. In order to do that, we're going to navigate to the Properties tab. As you can see on my Count Measurement Properties tab, the first information I have here to fill out is a subject and a label. And you always want to make sure to create a subject and a label for each count. In this case, I will be counting electrical outlets on my floor plan. So I'll set my subject as electrical. And then I'm going to set my label to be the material I will be taking off, which are recessed floor outlets. Once I have my subject and my label entered, I can then go down to my appearance and change the visual appearance of my symbol. As you can see, Bluebeam has the ability to change the color of your symbol. So we'll change the color to a nice blue. You can change the opacity of the symbol to make it a little bit lighter or darker. You can also change the symbol itself. So right now I have a check mark, but maybe I want to change this to a triangle. The scale will decrease or increase the size of your symbol. Now, once you have your subject and your label set, you have your appearance the way you want it to be, you can now begin to click along and drop your count objects wherever you want to count on your floor plan. So I'm going to drop my recessed floor outlets near my computers in my offices. And once I'm done with my count, all I have to do now is hit escape, and then my count objects are on my plan. Once you're done making your count, you can check the markups list to see the count information. As you can see here, the reason I set a subject and a label is so that I know exactly what my count object is. I have my electrical, recessed floor outlets, and a count of 10. And there you have it. That is just the tip of the iceberg for what's possible when using count objects. But there is so much more than that. Here at Zentech Consultants, we help our clients develop fully customized symbols and column data using count objects tailored to their specific needs. So if you're interested, please check out our website at www.zentechconsultants.net. You can reach out to us directly, and we'll help bring your quantity takeoffs to maximum efficiency.